Okay. This is my West Point Bridge design. Oh. Should I start?
Hmm?
The link doesn't work. Let me change it so that will work. Oh wait, no you don't.
Disclaimer campaign.
There you go. Okay. Okay. So my target consumer is Hogwarts. The students of Hogwarts are tired of flying on their brooms to get places. They want to be like muggles, like us, and they want to use cars, because we're just so cool. So because of this, they demand a bridge to be built for them to get transported safely to Hogwarts. The design statement is that I will build 2 bridges. One of them will be as cheap as possible, and the other one is a free-for-all. And these are the criteria and constraints. Okay, so for bridge 1, I used carbon steel bars to minimize the cost. I also used solid bars because it was the most structurally stable. I made the deck elevation as low as possible to make it as cheap as possible. I used a square design with supporting beams in the middle to create triangles. I used 13 members and 6 joints. On the second bridge, I used carbon steel bars. I also used an arching structure to make, because it's supposed to be a smile, so it's a smile. And then I made it so that there are diamonds on the top, so that those would be the eyes. I used 75 carbon steel members and 34 joints. So yeah, that's the eye and the smile, and this is the cheap bridge. This is the cost calculation report for the first bridge. So the total cost is $213,000. For the second bridge, the total cost is $1 million. This is the cheap bridge. And this is the smile.